This is problem number 6 from section 9.2. In this problem, they tell us to graph the solution set of the system of inequalities by hand. They give us two inequalities, both linear, because there's no squared terms, and they want us to graph this and find the solution. So I'm going to take the two equations and we're going to put them into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And the top equation, I'm going to use brown to graph it, and the bottom equation, I'm going to use red. So let's go ahead and write these out. So we're going to say 5x minus 2y is greater than 4. And I'm going to put it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 5x over. That's negative 2y greater than negative 5x plus 4. And then we divide by negative 2 in each spot. And that's y is less than, this will be 5/2 x minus 2. Remember to flip the inequality sign when you divide by negative. I know that this is the y-intercept, and this is the slope. All right, let's go ahead and do the same thing now for the bottom equation. So we're going to write 3x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 20. So I'm going to subtract 3x over. That's 5y greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 20. Now divide by 5. So because I'm dividing by a positive, that inequality sign obviously stays the same. So y greater than or equal to negative 3/5 x plus 4. This is the y-intercept. This is the slope. So now that I have them both in slope-intercept form, I'm going to draw the coordinate plane and graph both inequalities. Start with the brown inequality. Well, first let's mark this 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on each side. And then let's start to graph. So we're going to graph the brown inequality first. Negative 2 is the y-intercept. It's up 5 over 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2. And I'm probably just going to use 2 points here. That's a dashed line because there's no equal sign. So we're going to go with the dashed line. And then we would need to shade it says y is less than the line. That's going to be shaded this way, but if we can't figure that out, we need to check a 0, 0. When you check 0, 0, you get 0 less than 5/2 times 0 minus 2. So 0 less than negative 2. Well, no, that's not true. So shade away. So we're going to shade away from 0, 0. Now on the next one, we're going to use red, the next inequality. We're going to look at the y-intercept, which is 4, which is here. And then we're going to go down 3 over 5. So 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be a bold line. And it says greater than or equal to, so we're actually shaded above. But let's check. So we're going to check 0, 0. Plug it in, we get 0 greater than or equal to negative 3 over 5 times 0 plus 4. So we get 0 greater than or equal to 4. That's not true. So no, shade away from 0. So we're going to shade this direction. And let's look where the arrows meet. Well, the arrows meet right here in this area. So that's where the solutions are. So let's go ahead and shade those solutions. I'm going to use a green to shade the solutions. So our solutions lie right in that area.